Exim's financing is going to help us build another facility which will expand what we're currently doing, which is packaging of plastic resin manufactured here in the United States for export.
I'm so glad that we're able to finance the expansion of Pacwell's facility, building this new facility, 725,000 square feet. You know, our mission is to support U.S. job growth by facilitating export.
Which is also great because it creates a whole lot of jobs here.
Over 300 new, well-paying jobs right here in the greater Houston area.
95% of everything we're going to package at this new location will be for export.
And this is one of 3 facilities that you have, and soon to be a new 4th.
Yes.
Your biggest yet will be
Correct.
the one
Correct.
we're financing.
Correct. We will be adding about 30% more capacity to what we're doing today.
So this Make More in America, really for the first time, it enables us to support the full life cycle of an export, and we've not done that before.
Here we get a chance with our government helping us to compete against those foreign countries who
That's
have
right.
all the help from their government.
What's so wonderful about Pacwell and what we've been able to see today is just how important Make More in America is to American manufacturers, to American industry. What better way for XM to celebrate its 90th anniversary?
Without Exim's help today, this expansion for us would not have been possible.